enjoy nyo lang. Whatever happens, happens. No, I mean, you know, try to have fun on set, don't be too conscious, respect each other, right?
I think yung mga advice ko kay Krisha at kay Jerome, trust each other. Kasi on and off cam, kailangan niyo yun. Para maging vulnerable din kayo sa isa't isa, nang mabigyan niyo ng justice yung characters ninyo. And I think also, to the new characters, I want to say na sa mga fans natin ngayon, sa mga leaders natin ngayon, although meron kayong mga naisip na or mga na-imagine na kung sino mga characters na gusto ninyo. But I also want to say na kung ano yung binigay niyong trust sa amin na pinagkatiwalaan niyo kami, sana bigyan niyo rin sa ating new characters, sa ating new cast. Kasi hindi naman sila makukuha dito kung hindi dahil sa capabilities nila sa acting. So, bigyan natin sila ng chance.
Sabi mo sa sinabi ng dalawa, saka how pressured are you?
Actually, hindi naman po ito yung first time na nakarinig ako ng mga advice sa kanila. Kasi even before sa The Rain in Espanya pa lang, alam na nila ako yung next. So, hindi nag-taping pa lang kami, excited na sila agad sa akin. So, very thankful ako na kasama ko sila, na naka-work ko sila talaga. And marami na ako natutunan sa kanila before pa. And I know after this, anytime na katawagan ko sila for advice, andyan lang sila to listen and to give more advice. And yung pressure po talaga syempre kasi hindi po ako sanay sa ganito na nasa akin nakafocus. I mean, not me, but I'm playing the role of the lead here. So, marami po talagang pressure. Pero dahil po sa support ng Viva, Direct Gino, Ate Chino, OC Records, lahat ng cast, grabe po talaga yung pag-cheer up nila sa akin, pag-encourage nila sa akin. Kaya mo yan. So, sobrang thankful po ako sa kanilang lahat. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Last na lang, kay Jairus. Jairus, tama yung dinig namin kanina. Parang you were introduced as a promising young actor, no? We all know naman na you've been there na as an actor, alam din namin na isa ka sa mahusay sa generation mo. So, itong career mo ngayon sa Viva, paano mo ito tinitingnan ngayon?
Siguro, another chapter. Kasi when I was with ABS, ang ginagawa ko lang is, may love teams pero yung parang teeny bopper lang, no? Tapos, pero last ko naman ang ginawa sa kanila was pamilya ko. So, medyo mabigat din yun, but in a way, it's more about family. So dito, medyo we're diving into some more mature type of love team and characters as well, na mas nagkakaroon ng lalim. So, paano ko ba? How am I gonna put it into words? Pero iba, parang we're going into another chapter, but mas deeper, mas shallow, mas meaningful, parang sa akin. Okay, kasi Nicole yung love team po dito. Siguro, whatever on the table, what's work on na binibigay sa akin, I'm willing to take it. So if it's love team, why not? And I'm excited to work with Kiera din. I'm excited to work with Nicole. Kasi nag-uusap na rin naman kami about how to do things with the character. Medyo nagbabatuan na rin kami as early as now. And she's helping me out. So I'm really excited to work with her, to do a lot of scenes. Binabasa ko na rin yung book namin. I'm really excited to do our book as well. So, yeah, okay lang. Kung may love team, whatever is on the table, why not? But I'm happy to be paired with Nicole right now.